Okay, so here's a matrix that would represent the situation. This here is saying I have arrangement 1, arrangement 2, arrangement 3. Arrangement 1 is just, I believe, just one lily, right? One uses 3 lilies, right? This is 3 lilies. The second one uses uses 3 lilies. Oh, I got that wrong. 3 lilies and 4 carnations. And third one uses 4 daisies. So this one represents 4 daisies and 3 carnations, so 3. Okay, so arrangement 1 represents just 3 lilies, 3 lily and 4 carnations, no lilies and 3 carnations and 4 daisies. And this is the pricing vector or pricing matrix. Okay, so this first one represents the price of lily, and then the carnation and the daisy. This is the answer to part A. Part B. Okay, so the final cost of the arrangements, if you just multiply these two, this with this, right? So the first arrangement will cost 3 times 2.15. The second will cost 3 times by 2.15, but plus 4 times by 0.9. And last one is 3 times 0.9 plus 4 times 1.3. Okay, let me evaluate those. Okay, that's the cost for first arrangement, second arrangement, and third arrangement.